Live a worthy life in unity and peace from the Spirit, one Lord, one faith, and one baptism. Brothers and sisters, I, a prisoner for the Lord, urge you to live in a manner worthy of the call you received, with all humility and gentleness, with patience, bearing with one another through love, striving to preserve the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. One body and one Spirit, as you were also called to the one hope of your call. One Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God and Father of all, who is over all and through all and in all. Did you notice how many times the word one was used? One body and one Spirit, as you were also called to the one hope of your call. One Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God. This oneness leads to unity. When people become upset with one another, when rebellions start, when family members fight, it is because of a lack of unity with society in general or a group within society. As Jesus said in Mark 3:25, "And if a house is divided against itself, that house will not be able to stand." In this reading, Paul is telling the Ephesians that unity is vital to the growth of the church. Remember, unity doesn't just happen. We have to work at it in humility.